Now you are removing the chemical which has been put already in the WCC. Now you assure that all bacteria has been killed. Okay, so start your scratching.
For chemicals. I refilling towels.
Okay. This hand towels.
Yeah, this one hand towel.
Hand towels. And here this shower towels.
Bath towels.
Yeah, shower towels. Okay.
First of all, put two soap and body lotion conditioners. Here this tray. This one tray for shampoo.
Now you're refilling with the new products.
New products. Along with this.
What is this?
This one vendor kit. No for VIP amenities.
VIP amenities. Okay. So fix that and we will show in the camera.
Now packed for both.
Final look. This is the final video for the cleaned WC. This is the washing basin area. This is shower area. Okay. Look, the ground. The ground. Everything is cleaned and arranged. Down the seat. Down the seat. Yes. Here.